Hey yo, it's Chris O. How you doing, everyone? I'm grouting this 750 by 750 porcelain now. I put it out in a short and I asked what colour grout should I use. You know, do I use something that's similar to the colour? And I was suggested, I've forgotten your name, buddy, but you suggested me Havana, and I know the grout Havana. I thought, oh, is it just a little bit too dark? I'm not sure. So I got the Havana, and what the hell is this one called? It's a light, it's a little bit lighter, a shade lighter. Anyway, I asked the owner, and you know, I gave them a sample on the floor. You pour it in, put it into your grout line dry, and that gives them an idea what it's going to look like when it's grouted, when it's all dry. And they chose this one. What is the name? Travertine. Dunlop Travertine. I don't mind the Dunlop grout, eh? I don't mind it at all. God, years ago it used to all be sand and cement, or you colour it up with oxide, but it was always wider grout lines. It was always sanded grout. Now it's non-sanded, a lot finer. You push it in, wipe it off. Okay, I'll come back to you. I need to wash out my wash boy. I'll come back to you when I'm wiping off. I'll leave it for a little while. I want to get the grout as flush as possible. It's going to be an easy, absolute easy wipe off, so I'll let it go off. I won't wipe it too soon. But I will see you soon. See you soon. Hey yo, it's Chris O. Just a bit more wiping off. I was hoping to finish today, but I've still got the silicone to do in the bathroom, and a bit of grey, light grey grout in there. See that edge is plastic, and it's just a bit of glue. DIYs, scrapes off easy peasy. I reckon when the owners are living in here and it gets mocked and that sort of thing once a week or once a fortnight or twice a week or whatever, with a little bit of what sort of oil? A little bit of oil, just to give it a nice look. Eucalyptus oil. See that? Yep. Eucalyptus oil was the word I was trying to find. Other countries, you'd have another sort of oil that would look good. You know, you put a few drops in with your water and your mop. Here you use eucalyptus oil and it smells like you've had koala bears running around in your house. That's a bit of plastic I missed. I've got to do up the hall yet, but I've prepared it so it's ready to go. Pop a bit in there. There's still something there. Cool. I always have my knife with me at all times when I'm grouting or when I'm doing anything, because it, the old Stanley knife. The owners are wrapped, they can't stop looking at it. Well, that's cool. It's made it so good not having the skirting on or the cabinets in. It doesn't happen very often, but when it's done like this and the cabinets aren't in and no skirting, it's fantastic, I tell you. I'll slap some down in the ball now and wipe that off, and then I'll come in here. I've got to prepare that yet, but no biggie. I'll say it again, these suckers are an absolute godsend. A wash boy, right, I'll come back to you soon. See you later.